Right. So we will do this pattern. Right. So when a subject is experiencing, when an experience is arriving to them, right? So the verb here that we want to do in the first is to come or to arrive. How do you say in Hindi? To come or to arrive? Can you, Anna? Very good. Anna. Okay. So when something is, it's coming to the user. One is मैं सो रहा हूँ, right? I am sleeping, right? It's they are actively like in the mode of sleep. Versus a sleep is coming to them. Okay, they are not yet asleep, but they are feeling like it, right? And the loose translation in Hindi would be to the user, sleep is coming. Okay, so you have the pronoun followed by ko. So let's say if John feels like he's sleepy, it would be John ko. John ko. Okay, what is sleep? Neend. John ko neend a. If I'm saying it in present continuous, you remove the na and you put a rahi hai. John को नींद आ रही है. And why did I use rahi here? Because नींद is feminine. I want to say John is angry. Okay? John is angry. What is anger? Well, gussa. What is gussa? Masculine. What do you think it will be? John को गुस्सा आ रहा है. Okay? Now something, it's laziness. You know, what is the word for it? Very close. So lazy is आलसी. मुझे आलस आ रहा है. Yeah. How about sweat? It will be पसीना. पसीना आ रहा है. What are tears? Asu. Very good. Okay. What if I say it's plural and you see that they have tears? Okay. उनको आंसू आ रहे हैं. Okay. Good one. An idea is coming to me. मुझे एक विचार आ रहा है और मुझे एक आइडिया है. If you are feeling dizzy, मुझे चक्कर आ रहे हैं. Anyone else would like to say for the pattern 2, which is basically मुझे or subject, the subject followed by who, रहा, रही और रहे, है और है.